Good morning, children. You're all safe at home, and I'm very thankful to you, your parents, and as well as you also. You done a great job previous week. Whatever you sent it to me, the videos. You did excellent. We feel very happy. Whatever you understood and whatever you are making the videos, and you did a lot of work. Thankful, thanks to everyone, and as well as please be safe at home and take the precautions of COVID-19. Now let us start again our schedule. So in our chapter fractions and decimals, we discussed already fractions, types of fractions, and as well as addition, subtraction, multiplication of fractions also we completed. Up to 2.3 exercise we completed. Now let us move to the another topic, that is division of fractions. How to divide a whole number by a fraction, and as well as a fraction by fraction, and as well as a fraction by a whole number. Okay, let us discuss. Today our topic is division of fractions. So division of fractions. So let us discuss how to divide a fraction by a whole number by a fraction, and a fraction by fraction. Okay, let us discuss a simple concept. See, suppose this is a thread. Clear? The length of this thread is let us take that 10 centimeters. Okay, now I am going to cut this thread into some pieces, equal pieces, equal length of pieces. So let us take that length of each piece, which is equal to, let us take 2 centimeters. Now what you are going to do here, this total length of this thread is 10 centimeter. I am cutting this total thread into some pieces. Each piece has length is 2 centimeter. All the pieces are equal in length, that is 2 centimeters. Now I want to find out how many number of pieces should I get. For that you need to do division. What we are going to do? Total length by length of each piece. Okay, now to get the total number of pieces, we need to divide 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So therefore total number of pieces is equal to 5 pieces I should get. Clear? Let us take one more. See, I have 2 chocolates. Is in the form of like this. Okay, now I want to take one more chocolate. So here also. Now look at here. We know that divide into equal parts. This is 1 by 4, 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 1 by 4. By seeing that, you should get how many number of pieces are there? 8 are there. Because in first chocolate I divide into 4 parts. Here also 4 parts. 4 are equal parts. By doing division also, whether it is 8 equal parts or not, we need to check it out. So totally how many chocolates are there? There are 2 chocolates are there. The total 2 chocolates divided by, we should divide one part. That means 1 by 4. See how to divide a whole number and a fraction. See this here. Whole number and a fraction. See this here. Here we divide both are whole numbers only. But coming to here, we are dividing a whole number and a fraction. Okay. Now see, to division of a whole number and a fraction, see what I am going to do, what we are going to change. This is very important. See, I am going to change 2 as it is. Now I am changing this division symbol into multiplication symbol, product symbol, and the given fraction. Excuse me. So 1 by 4 to change to 4 by 1. Say, if you want to divide a whole number and a fraction, see this here. I did not change anything here, whole number. Just I changed only division symbol to multiplication symbol. And I am changing this 1 by 4 fraction to 4 by 1. This is a proper fraction. We are changing into improper fraction. Clear? Now we know that 4 by 1 is nothing but 4 only. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8 are there. Total how many pieces are there? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 are equal parts are there. Clear? So this is nothing but a division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay. Now let us discuss how to divide a fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. Let us discuss fraction by a whole number. Okay. Now I hope you understood whatever we discussed up to now. Okay. Now see, we are going to discuss now a division of a fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. We are going to divide fraction by a whole number. See how to divide. Let us take a simple example. Let us divide 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. You can take either proper or improper fraction or mixed fraction also. So 3 by 4 divided by, let us take that 2. I'm taking a fraction, I'm dividing with a whole number. Okay, how to divide? Same process. So solution here, 3 by 4. Now what I'm going to do, I'm changing division symbol into symbol, that is product. And 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. You need to take the reverse. Reverse of 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Clear? Now it is comes under product of or multiplication of two fractions. How to multiply two fractions? Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. Which is nothing but 3 by 8. Clear? See, our question is division of a fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. Right? So to divide this, we need to change to our convenience into product of two fractions. How to change division to product or multiplication? Change the sign. When you are changing the sign, division symbol to the multiplication symbol, immediately you should change this value, second value, not first value. Second value, it is a 2 by 1, nothing but 1 by 2. Clear? Now you just multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So 3 into 1 equal 3 by 4 into 2 equal to 8. 4 to is 8. So this is the process. Let us discuss one more example. This is example 1, example 2. Let us discuss one more. Let us take that improper fraction or mixed fraction. Let us take that improper fraction. So see this here, 5 by 2. It is an improper fraction. We are going to divide this into, let us take that 7. 5 by 2 is an improper fraction and 7 is a whole number. Okay, 7 is a whole number is nothing but 7 by 1. Right? We are dividing these two. Now what you are going to do here? We need to divide 5 by 2 as it is and change the this division symbol into multiplication symbol, and 7 by 1 will become 1 by 7. Clear? Now which is implies 5 into 1 is the product of two fractions. 5 into 1 by 2 into 7, which is nothing but 5 by 14. Clear? So now let us discuss one more example. Mixed fraction divided by a whole number. Let us take a simple mixed fraction 1 by 3 divided by, it is suppose let us take that 4. Okay, see, however you want to do division, compulsory change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3 divided by 4. I am changing first mixed fraction into improper. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 3 divided by 4, nothing but 4 by 1. Again I need to change the same thing, this sign into multiply, and 4 by 1 become 1 by 4. See this here, 4 will cancel, the value will become 1 by 3. Is it clear? See, 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. We are dividing with a whole number. We are changing mixed fraction into improper fraction. Clear? And this divided by 4 by 1. 4 is nothing but 4 by 1. So change the division symbol into the product symbol and change 4 by 1 become 1 by 4. Okay, now just cancel these two, you will get 1 by 3. So now here one question will arise. What is mean by this 7 by 1 will become, when you are changing 7 by 2, 1 by 7, what is called this? There is a particular name. There is a particular name. We are changing, see, 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. Clear? So here also 4 will become 4 by 1 will become 1 by 4. There is the name that. What is that? The name of this is the reciprocal of a fraction. What is that? Reciprocal of a fraction. What is meant by reciprocal? What is meant by reciprocal? Reciprocal is nothing but to interchange numerator and denominator. What is the reciprocal of a fraction? To interchange numerator and denominator. Means reverse, you need to take that. Let us take a simple example. Suppose 3 by 2 is a fraction. The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3. What is that? The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. You just interchange the values. This we can use only in division of fractions only. In division of fractions only, we need to use reciprocal of a fraction. I hope you understood, children. Now let us discuss one more simple topic, fraction by a fraction. How to divide a fraction by a fraction. Okay? Now, so how to divide a fraction by a fraction? By using reciprocal of a fraction. So division of, what is the next one? Division of fraction by a fraction. Okay, how to divide a fraction by a fraction. Let us take simple example. Example 1. So 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 10, or 6 by, let us take that one more, other than 10 you have to take 7. Okay, 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 7, both are proper fractions. Both are proper fractions. How I am going to do division of these two fractions? Okay, with the help of reciprocal of a fraction. See this here. 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 7 they given. We did not change anything with first value, first fraction. That is 4 by 5 as it is. Now I am changing this symbol to the product symbol. When you are changing the symbol or sign of the division to the multiply, you need to immediately change 6 by 7. Now see this here, this is 7 by 6. Since reciprocal of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. Clear? I told you just now, reciprocal of, just interchange the numerator and denominator. Now this is nothing but product of two fractions. How to multiply? 4 into 7 by 5 into 6. 4 7s are 28, 5 6 are 30. Both are even numbers. You should divide with 2 by 30 divided by 2. It is 14 by 15. Clear? It's the simplest form. Compulsory should write in the simplest form. Now see this here. I hope you understood this. How to divide a fraction by a fraction. Maybe proper or improper or mixed fraction. Whatever it is, process will be same. Change the sign, division to multiply. Take the reciprocal of second value. Second value only. If you take the reciprocal of second value, it will become, to interchange the numerator and denominator, you will get the value. Multiply those numerators and denominators, you will get the value. Fraction. If the fraction is, I mean to say that if it is any, to get the simplest form, divide with any number. Okay. Right? I hope you understood this. So based on this, you will be having some exercise questions are there. We are going to discuss exercise 2.4. Okay. I hope you understood this concept today. Division of fractions. Clear, my dears? You just remember this. Only you need to keep in the mind reciprocal of second value. You just interchange numerator and denominator of the given value. It may be whole number or it may be a fraction. Clear? Now let us discuss today the exercise number 2.4. Right. Exercise 2.4. So in this, the first question we are going to discuss now. What is that? Find the value of. We are going to do first one. Right. First bit is see 12 divided by 3 by 4. What is this here? Whole number divided by a fraction. Whole number divided by a fraction. Division of whole number by a fraction. Clear? Now see, observe clearly. Solution given that 12 divided by 3 by 4. So which is implies 12, just change the sign division symbol to the product symbol and take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. What is that 3 by 4? That is 4 by 3. Write the signs here. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now, which is implies 12 is nothing but 12 by 1 into 4 by 3. Which is implies is equal to just multiply 12 into 4 by 1 into 3. How much will get here? 12 4 is 48. 48 by 3. See, 48 is a multiple of 3. How do we know that? 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So divide with 3 in the numerator and denominator. Which is equal to 48 divided by 3 is nothing but 16 by 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the value will become 16. So 12 divided by 3 by 4 is become, answer is 16. So therefore 12 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to, the value will become 16. This is clear, my dears everyone? I hope you understood that how to divide a whole number by a fraction. So now let us discuss one more problem from the same bit, that is whole number by a mixed fraction. I'll explain fifth bit. Okay, let us write fifth bit. Now what is the fifth one? The question is 3 divided, fifth one is 3 divided by, the value is 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. So whenever you will get the mixed fraction, you please convert into improper fraction. That is compulsory. Okay, solution. Given that 3 divided 2 1 by 3. First of all, you need to convert 2 1 by 3 to improper fraction. So here 2 1 by 3, which is implies 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to how much? 3 to the 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. I got an improper fraction. We converted mixed fraction to improper. Now the question is which is implies 3 divided by this 2 1 by 3 is nothing but 7 by 3. Now what you are going to do? We need to change the sign of division symbol to multiply symbol and the reciprocal of 7 by 3. What is reciprocal of 7 by 3? Yes, 3 by 7. To interchange numerator and denominator. Here I am going to write here reciprocal of 7 by 3 become 3 by 7. 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So now which is implies 3 into, see I am changing the sign, division to the multiply symbol. 7 by 3 will become 3 by 7. Now which is implies whole number and a proper fraction. How to multiply? Numerator into whole number. 3 into 3 by 7 is equal to 9 by 7. If you want to change, because it is an improper fraction, you can change into mixed fraction. Otherwise you just leave it. No problem. Clear, my dears? I hope you understood how to divide a whole number and a mixed fraction. Clear? See, given that 3 divided 2 by 1 by 3. So first of all you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 1 by 3 is equal to. So we have to multiply 3 into 2 plus add the numerator by 3 as it is, which is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 by 3 will become 7 by 3. So now the question will become 3 divided by 7 by 3. So take the reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. Then change the sign division symbol to the multiply symbol. 3 into 3 by 7, which is implies 3 into 3 by 7, which is equal to 9 by 7. So therefore, when you divide 3 divided to 1 by 3, become 9 by 7. So this is your answer. Okay. Now let us discuss. The second question is. I hope you understood this. All these in these two bits. The remaining bits you need to do the homework. So now second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals and proper fractions, improper fractions, and whole numbers. Okay. Just simple. Just find out. After finding the reciprocals of all the given fractions, then after getting the answer, you need to classify whether it is a proper fraction or improper or mixed or whole numbers. Okay. Now let us discuss a simple question. From the second question, we are going to solve. We need to find out the reciprocals of given fraction. Now see this here. Second question. In the second question, first bit is what? 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is the question. So what you are going to do that? Just find the reciprocal. Only reciprocal. So now given that 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. Is a proper fraction. Now what you are going to do? You find the reciprocal. So now reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. After finding the reciprocal of given fraction, it become improper. See this here, the given fraction is a proper fraction. Now I got the answer is 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is an which fraction? It is an improper fraction. So therefore 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Clear? So like this you need to convert, you need to find out all the reciprocals of given fractions. Now let us see this sixth one. Let us discuss sixth one. Find the reciprocal of 1 by 8. See this here, 1 by 8 is a proper fraction. 1 by 8 is an, let us say, given that 1 by 8 is a proper fraction. Clear? Now we need to find out reciprocal of fraction. So reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. So 8 by 1 is nothing but what? 8 only. So therefore 8 by 1 is 8 only. So which is implies is nothing but a whole number. It is a whole number. So like this you need to classify that. After finding the reciprocal of given fraction, whatever you will get the answer, whether it is a proper or improper or whole number or mixed fraction, or you need to find out. So this is second question. Now let us discuss third question. A simple whole fraction by a whole number. How to divide a fraction by a whole number. Let us discuss third question. Right? I hope you are all enjoyed the last week holidays. Am I right, my dears? Right. So now, this week we are going to discuss this simple exercise. We need to finish within 1 day. Okay. Now, third question. We need to find fraction by a whole number. That is division of fraction by a whole number. Let us discuss in this third question. Third bit. 16 by 3 divided by 7. 6 by 13. 6 by 13 divided by 7. 6 by 13 divided by 7. Clear? So you just keep it in mind whenever you want to do division of whole number by a fraction or fraction by a whole number or fraction by fraction, you need to change to, what is that? Change the sign, division symbol, and take the reciprocal of second value. We did not touch first value. Just we need to change only this second value. Clear? Now see how I am going to do. You please observe clearly. If there is any doubt, you can call me directly. Right? Given that 6 by 13 divided by 7. 6 by 13 divided by 7. Now, what I am going to do? First of all, you need to take the reciprocal of 7. 7 is nothing but 7 by 1. Reciprocal of 7 by 1 will become 1 by 7. Okay. And change the sign, division to the multiply. So now, first of all, you need to take that reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. Now see this here, what I am going to do here. 6 by 13 I am writing directly as it is. I am changing the sign into symbol. 7 will become 1 by 7. Clear? This is a product of two fractions. Numerator into numerator, 6 into 1 by denominator into denominator, 13 into 7. So which is implies 6 by, what is 13 sevens are? See, I am going to do 13 sevens are, 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7 plus 2, 91. It is 91. Clear? 6 by 91. This is the value. I hope you understood that. See, simple, nothing is there in that. They given 6 by 13 divided by 7. You just take the reciprocal of 7 by 1, nothing but 1 by 7. Change the division symbol to the multiplication symbol and multiply both numerators and denominators. You will get the solution. Clear, my dears? Now, let us discuss now fourth question. Find fraction by a fraction. That is division of fraction by a fraction. We are going to change now. How to divide a fraction by a fraction. In this, I am going to solve two questions. Let us take fourth question. It is a mixed fraction and a fraction. See, they given that 2 1 by 3 divided, what is the value? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now see this here. One is a mixed fraction, one is a proper fraction. Your duty is what? Just convert mixed fraction to improper fraction compulsory and take the reciprocal of second fraction and change the sign of division to the product symbol or multiplication symbol. Now see, given that 2 1 by 3 divided 3 by 5. Clear? Now I am going to change 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 will become what? 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3, which is nothing but 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. That is improper fraction. Now the question will become 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So what you are going to do here? Take the reciprocal of 3 by 5. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. In each and every solution, you have to write down this statement compulsory. Compulsory, you will write reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay. Now, which is implies 7 by 3 into 5 by 3. Clear? So, which is implies 7 into 5 by 3 into 3. 7 5s are 35 by 9. So, therefore, 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to 35 by 9. Okay. This is your answer. How to divide a fraction by a fraction. I hope you understood this. Clear, my dears? So here also we need to write the therefore statement, which is implies 6 by 13 divided by 7 is equal to 6 by 91. You please write down the therefore statement compulsory for each and every question. Right, my dears? So 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to 35 by 9. Clear? Now let us discuss one more problem from the fourth question. Okay, to understand easily. Two mixed fractions I am going to take that. How to divide two mixed fractions? A mixed fraction divided by another mixed fraction. Same thing, both the mixed fractions you need to change, convert to improper fraction. Now see this here. I am going to take the which one? Seventh question. Seventh bit I am taking here. Okay. Now that is 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5 divided by, that is 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. See this here. Both are mixed fractions. Convert each fraction into improper. So solution, given that 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So now first I am changing 3 1 by 5, which is equal, implies 5 into 3 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 16 by 5. And as well as this 1 2 by 3 also we need to change into improper fraction. 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Now I got both are into improper fractions. Now our question will become, the given question is mixed fraction, we are changing into improper fraction, that is 16 by 5 divided by 5 by 3. Now what you are going to do, just change these two, change the sign of division symbol and as well as take the reciprocal of 5 by 3. So now reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. Okay, now 16 by 5 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This is a product of or multiplication of two fractions. You just multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. You will get the answer. 16 3 is a 48 by 25. So this is the simplest form. We cannot cancel these two. Okay, this is a multiple of 25 and this is a multiple of 6 or 8 or 2 or 4. So there is no common multiple. There is no common factor for these two values. So therefore 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3 is equal to 48 by 25. This is your answer. I hope you understood these questions today. It's a very simple exercise 2.4. Okay, I hope you will finish this exercise also. Okay, my dears. So today what we discussed, that is division of fractions. Okay, how to divide a fraction by a whole number and a whole number by a fraction and a fraction by a fraction. We discuss some examples and as well as we discuss some exercise questions also. Okay, let us note down your homework. Okay, let us note down your homework. Right, children, today we discussed division of fractions. I hope you understood that. There are three concepts are there. One is division by whole number by a fraction, fraction by a whole number and as well as fraction by fraction. So we need to take only the reciprocal of second value and you need to change the division symbol to the multiplication symbol. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubt you can call me, no problem, I'll explain to you. So this is your homework, a textbook page number 46, exercise 2.4. The question number 1, second bit, third bit, fourth bit and sixth bit. The question number 2, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit and seventh bit. In question number 3, first bit, second bit, fourth bit, fifth bit and sixth bit. And question number 4, first bit, second bit, third bit, fifth bit, sixth bit and eighth bit. So please complete this homework in your classwork. Thank you. Have a nice day.